Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. This is the pre-launch uh, ramble for the first launch of the TSP Excelsior. Now, if you don't know about this rocket, you want to learn more, I have a video on it, like a build overview, so to speak, linked in the description here. But anyways, this rocket is a custom designed rocket. It's a minimum diameter for these 24 millimeter diameter rocket motors. And it should be able to use 3 stages. That's the goal. We're going to launch it stage by stage, but there should be eventually 3 stages of rocket to launch. But for now, we're just going to be launching it on 1 stage with a Estes E12-6 rocket motor. It has 2 streamers as the recovery system. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Really fingers crossed we recover this, because we need to launch it at least 2 more times, to get the whole thing. But for now, let's see how this goes. So, bad news. We did not recover the rocket, the Excelsior. So this is all I have to show for it now in the videos. You guys saw in the video, it really veered off. It kind of had like a ballistic trajectory. And I'm trying to think what could have caused it. But it did go fast. Like, it went really fast. It was crazy. It was but I'm thinking, right, maybe the launch lugs were a little tight on the rod. Like, that's what I'm thinking it could have been. And it kind of like nudged it. Maybe it was just unstable. I don't think it was, because Open Rocket said that like it was pretty stable, or it was gonna be stable. Like, I'd put like weight up up towards the front, in the nose cone, if you saw the video, the build video. But yeah, it just really went off. I don't think it was wind. So I'm just thinking like the launch rod tipped one way or another, which is unfortunate. And then it just kind of drifted away. We lost track of it pretty quickly. I saw it deploy. I saw it when it deployed, and then I just couldn't see it after that. So yeah, this is all we got left of it, unfortunately. But that's all right, guys. There we go. But anyways, that's the TSP Excelsior. Maybe I'll try to rebuild the upper stage, and we can still get in a 2 and a 3 stage launch. Maybe, right? Fingers crossed. So we'll have to see. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.